All right, today I'll be talking about little things that single ladies should pay attention to if they truly want to get married. I mean, those who feel that their marriage is due, or maybe the time they are supposed to marry is due, and you know you really want to marry. Maybe some of these things I want to talk about are the things that is holding you. Please pay attention to these things because I see a lot of ladies that is jumping from one prayer house to another looking for a husband. And to be honest with you, there is no husband there. So there is what we call little foxes that spoils the vine. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the little things that you may be neglecting that is stopping you from attracting the right man for you or the right husband for you. So the first thing you must pay attention to if you want to attract a husband is how you look. It's very important. I see a lot of ladies who claim that they want a man in their life and all they do is to look seductive. Like, you have to know the difference between looking seductive and looking attractive. Two of them are just two different things. If you look seductive, you are going to attract a man, but what kind of a man? You are going to attract a man that wants your body, a man that wants sex. Just like food is very attractive. So whatever kind of food you place on the table is going to attract the people who will eat it. However you present yourself is how you are going to be perceived. Make sure you are not looking seductive instead of looking attractive, because they are two different things altogether. If you look seductive, he's going to come, but he's going to come for what you attracted him for, which is your body. And once he's done with the sex, he will keep going. Like, he can make you promises of marriage. It doesn't make sense, it doesn't matter, but most ladies ends up giving their body to a man who never marries them. So you have to know the difference between looking attractive and looking seductive. Be sure that you are looking very decent. Men are looking for wives, not women who look like sluts, not women who looks like they are giving themselves or their body to another man. Like, men, they hate sharing. They always want someone to be for them and for them alone. You must understand that. So when you look seductive, to them they feel that it's not just them that is into your life or that is having you or sleeping with you. They will believe that someone else is equally doing that, because of course the way you are looking is the way, you know, the way you attracted them, the way your looks are and you attracted them is the same way another man is going to be interested. So the second thing you must pay attention to if you really want to attract a husband is your face. How does your face look? Your face must look clean and good. Like, I see so many ladies who don't take care of their face. You don't care about your face. To you, you feel that the kind of man that will marry you is a man that will love you as you are or for who you are. There's nothing like that. You will stay there and you will not get married. Like, your face should look good, like look clean. You mustn't always go on makeups, like heavy makeups and all that. You can just go with light makeups if you want to make yourself up or you want to wear any makeup. But if you don't, at least keep your face clean. There are ways you can actually keep your face clean, from pimples, from dark spots. At least your face should look bright, because the first thing a man connects with when he sees you is your face. Before anybody gives you a hand for, you know, anything or wants to shake your hand, the person beholds your face, as in what happens on this face is very powerful as a lady. So you must take care of your face, the way your face looks. If you have dark spots, please go and clean it. If you have pimples, work on it. There are products on it. Like, you have to take care of your face. Your face must not be the barrier or what will send your man away, because there are some men that can't deal with the fact that your face is looking so rough, so dirty, so scattered. You can't even keep it. What if you can't keep your face clean? What can you keep clean as a lady? This is very, very important. I know some of you pay less attention to this, but this may be what is chasing the man away from you. So take care of your face and even your facial expression. You see, what this face, it is everything. How you smile, how you put your face. And some ladies are looking so mean, so bold, and you know you're not married yet. How do you want the man to perceive you? Because however they see you is what they believe you are. How do you know, this is very vital. So taking care of your face, what happens on your face, how you put the face, how you express it is so powerful. Like, if you can manage your face well, you can be, in fact, you attract a husband more quicker. It's very important. So don't scare a man away because your face is not kept clean, or maybe your facial expression is always so bad, terrible, and communicating something different, because your face always communicates. Whether you are smiling, talking, or doing anything, or sad, it always communicates. So take care of your face. The next one is the way you talk. Like, a lot of ladies have lost relationships. I mean men who are really interested in getting married to them. I mean good men. I don't mean rubbish people. Like good men who wants to settle down with them because of the way they talk. Pay attention to this. My roommate actually got married because of the way she talked. Like, I know, I can remember the husband was telling me then, he said how he actually found her was the day he went to somewhere, and immediately he got there, that she was my roommate was explaining something to somebody. At least she was responding to someone, and he said he heard her talk, the way she spoke, the way he said that was all. Immediately he heard her voice. He said that was everything that explained to him, or how he knew that this woman is the woman that is going to be the love of his life. And from there he followed this lady and married her. Today they are living with kids, living wonderfully. You have to understand that the way you talk, in fact, little things are actually the things that men are looking for. One thing can convince a man to marry you. You mustn't have everything, like you mustn't, but at least the ones you recognize you can work on, just like these ones I'm talking about. Pay attention to them. Is very powerful. It's very important. I can remember that my brother wanted to talk to a lady also, and he called me. He said I should come and see the lady he wants to approach. We are just around there, and he was like I should just come and see her before he walks up to the lady and talks to her about engagement or relationship or anything. And it was the way this lady talked that scared him away. Immediately I came, was with him, trying to see the lady, and looking at her, the first sight of her, she was talking with somebody, and she was just so careless with her words. Like, if you see the things that are coming out from her, like, she wasn't cursing the person she was discussing with, but there was no composure in her speech. There was no in fact, nothing was together in the way she was talking. She was just so careless, sounding like, I don't know what to call it. And immediately she started talking like that. My brother gave up. He was like, is this the person I want to talk to? He said, I'm done. Like, I'm not interested again. I was like trying to convince him, maybe I said no, he can't deal with that. Like, he knows what he wants. And that was the end of it. If you see the lady, she was looking very beautiful, but what spoiled the show for her was just the way she was talking. This is to tell you that you are jumping from one prayer house to another. Your problem is not God. Your problem is just working on yourself, taking care of yourself, and you'll see the man that is really interested in you. Honestly, you have to really pay attention to these things. So the fourth one is building value into yourself. This is very important. Please, ladies, build value into yourself. Don't just sit and be waiting for a man that will come to make you rich. If money is your interest, like many ladies or different ladies have different reasons of going into marriage, but if money is your interest, I think it's wiser that you begin to chase the money as a single lady before you meet the man. Because even if you meet a man and he is wealthy and rich, if you don't know how to manage money, if you've not had money before, you can run him down. And it doesn't make sense. It should be that when a man walks into your life, his life will become more, he will be more blessed than he is. But some ladies just sit around looking for a man that will make them. So I don't want to talk about this aspect of money thing, but if that is your interest, because there are different people everywhere. There are ladies that actually want to get married not because of money. They're interested in their vision, like they really want a man that is going to help them actualize their goals in life and understand their vision. There are ladies like that. Of course, their interest is not really money, even though money is very important. But the fact is that you need value. When a man meets you, what is he meeting? Like, you want to attract a king, but you don't have the qualities of a queen. This is very important. So if you know the kind of man you want to attract, build that kind of value inside of you. Don't just look carelessly, don't just be careless about your values, your content, and you expect any kind of man to walk up to you. Why would a man walk into your life? Tell me what he's coming to get. You need to pick a pen and ask yourself, who am I? Like, if someone comes to you and says, who are you? Explain who you are in just did I say 5 sentences or 5 words? Explain yourself. What value do you have? What is that thing that is in you that is attracting a man? Because when he comes, he should respect you. He should have value for you. So one of the things that attracts a man to you and he wants to settle down with you is your content. Most men come not just for facial expression or your speech or your words or your looks or whatever. They come because of your content. So check your content. What do you have inside of you? What are you going to offer? What do you think you can offer that can keep a man? What do you think that is within you that can attract a man? Some men will go beyond your physical looks and whatever thing they are seeing to what is inside of you. There are men like that. They don't care how you look. They can package you well. They can repackage you. They know they can do that. But what they are interested in is your content. There are some men like that. So if you position yourself well through your content and your values, you will see that you attract a man, honestly.